then Allahu Akbar, 3. On the third Allahu Akbar, we pull our hands. So Allahu Akbar, 1, we read our hand. That's second. After that, 3 extra ones. Allahu Akbar, 1, Allahu Akbar, 2, Allahu Akbar, 3. Then the Imam will recite the Qiraat. After the Qiraat is finished, he'll go into ruku like normal. He'll come back up. When he comes back up, then he'll recite his Qiraat again. So in the first rakat, the takbir was in the start. The first rakat, the takbir was in the start. In the second rakat, the takbir will be at the end. So the Imam in the second rakat, he'll get up, he'll recite like normal. After he's done with his recitation, he'll say Allahu Akbar 1. He'll say Allahu Akbar 2. And then he'll say Allahu Akbar 3. And on the fourth Allahu Akbar will go. So in the second rakat, Allahu Akbar 1, Allahu Akbar 2, Allahu Akbar 3. This 3 extra done. Now the fourth normal one, Allahu Akbar. So keep this in mind, inshallah. And also very important, we sit for the khutbah afterwards. Very, very important. A lot of people walk out, person cannot walk out, just sit. 5 minutes extra will go, and inshallah, inshallah,